This quick tip will cover how to use the Brightspace Accessibility Checker. The first thing you'll want to do is open up an existing page or create a new page. The Accessibility Checker will work any place that has HTML. I'm going to go ahead and open up an existing page and select Edit HTML. Once that loads, you'll notice that at the bottom of the HTML box there's an icon that says Check Accessibility. If you click on this icon, a pop-up will appear and it will show you any issues it found. You can scroll through the issues. Some issues you're able to fix right here on this page. In this example, I'm providing an alt text for the image and then clicking Repair Issue. For the rest of the issues, you can go into the body of the HTML and fix. Here I'll change this heading 4 to a heading 2, and this title with the gray font, turn it to a higher contrast font. Once the accessibility checker has passed, you can hit close and then save and close.